Welcome. In this video, we are going to explore the Git Fast-Forward Merge. We will look at what it is, when it happens, and why it is a useful feature for managing your project's history. So, what exactly is a fast-forward merge? Imagine your project's history is a straight road. A fast-forward merge is like paving a new section of that road directly ahead without any detours or new intersections. Your project's main path simply extends forward in a straight line. Here is a typical scenario. We have a main branch with 2 commits. Then, a feature branch was created from main, and a new commit was added to it. The main branch has not changed since the feature branch was created. This is the perfect setup for a fast-forward merge. To perform the merge, we first switch to the main branch. Then, we run the git merge command with the name of the feature branch. Notice the output. Git explicitly tells us that it performed a fast-forward merge. This means it did not have to create a new commit to combine the histories. After the merge, you can see that the main branch pointer has simply moved forward to point to the same commit as the feature branch. The history is completely linear, as if all the commits were made directly on the main branch. No extra merge commit was created. A fast-forward merge is not always possible. If the main branch has new commits that your feature branch does not have, then Git cannot simply move the pointer forward. The 2 branches have diverged, and their histories need to be combined with a new merge commit. In this example, after the feature branch was created, a new commit was added to the main branch. Now, both branches have new work that the other does not. The path is no longer linear. When you try to merge, Git will create a new commit that brings the 2 separate histories together. So, why are fast-forward merges so useful? They keep your project history linear and clean, making it much easier to read and understand. They also avoid creating extra, unnecessary merge commits, which can clutter up your Git log. Finally, a linear history is often easier to revert if something goes wrong. To sum up, a fast-forward merge is possible when the main branch has no new commits since the feature branch was created. This type of merge results in a clean, linear history by simply moving the main branch pointer forward. If the main branch has diverged, a merge commit is required instead. Sticking to fast-forward merges whenever possible is a great way to keep your project history tidy.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.